what's up, guys, girls? It's your boy SGP, SoleGameProper, back at you one more time with another pickup video. Back at the house, as you see. We got mail calls today, so let's go ahead and hop into the first one. First one is coming out of New Jersey. Let's see what we got coming out of New Jersey for us today. This is the one I forgot. I wasn't quite sure which one this was. But as you can see, Adidas box. See if you can check the label on that. These are the NMD XR1 TR Titolo, however you want to call it. Saw these pop back up. I had seen them a long time ago. They popped back up on Sneakers and Stuff. So I went ahead and grabbed the pair. So regular NMD, but with a little bit of difference. It's got sort of the hiking bottom on it, clear outsole bottom. Basically all white, hits a gray. And this part, which is mesh material. So here we go. Got the gray and white laces. Comes with an extra pair of white laces. Side part is leather. This leather. I think these are usually plastic. So Adidas on the tongue. Titolo on the heel tab. All the details are in leather. You actually have two hands shaking on the top. So these are a size 9. If you've never worn the NMDs before and you're thinking about picking up a pair, I would say go down a half size. I tried a 9.5. It's just a little bit too long in the toe. So, but these should fit perfectly. Get you a glimpse of the second shoe. With this box coming out of New Jersey, I'm assuming they shipped this out of the Sneakers and Stuff out of the New Jersey store. Alright. So, that's mail call for today. Before I get out of here, I want to thank everyone for liking, commenting, and subscribing, for messing with your boy. We're going to continue to put out more content and see where it goes. Everybody have a great day, man. We out.